Hello, students. Welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today, we are here with yet another great opportunity for international students who are dreaming of studying in Germany and working on world changing technology like supercomputers and AI. The NHR Scholarships for 2026 is open now, and it is a fully funded PhD opportunity for international students in high performance computing or HPC. You will get paid to do your PhD in Germany, work with top researchers, and even do research at two different universities. In this video, I will explain who can apply, what the scholarship offers, how to apply step by step process, and some tips to boost your chances. So let's get started. First, let me give you overview about the NHR scholarship program, what this scholarship is all about. The NHR scholarship is run by the National High Performance Computing Network in Germany. It is designed for the students who want to do PhD in HPC, which is all about solving big complex problems using supercomputers. What makes this program special? You will study at one of the nine top NHR centers at leading German universities. For 6 months, you will also move to another NHR center for extra research training, and you will be part of a community of international PhD students learning from some of the best minds in the world. So this is an incredible opportunity for students who want to do their PhD program at Germany. Now let's discuss some of the key features and benefits of this program, what this scholarship program offers. You will get a monthly stipend of 22 euro, that's your living expenses, and it will help you to cover these expenses. You don't have to pay any tuition fee. You will also get health insurance, travel support, and access to career coaching, workshops, and networking with global researchers. This is your chance to study, live, and grow as a researcher in Germany without worrying about finance. Moving on to the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this program? These are the criteria you need to meet in order to apply. Firstly, you must have a master's degree in computer science, mathematics, engineering, physics, or similar field, and you must be from any country. There is no nationality restriction, and be ready to work on a research project in high performance computing. And you need to meet the PhD admission requirements of the German university you choose. And this is open to all genders and backgrounds, so there is no restriction about gender or background. So these are the criteria that you need to meet in order to apply. Now let's see the documents that you need to prepare for this program. Make sure to prepare all these documents in advance so that your application goes smoothly. You need to prepare your CV, a motivation letters explaining why you want to do a PhD in HPC. You need to prepare a research statement, what kind of problem or topic you want to explore, and you need to prepare university transcripts, bachelor's and master's transcripts, and you need to provide the proof of English skills and also a passport copy. For this program, you need one letter of recommendation from professor. They need to email it directly. Make sure everything is in English or has an English translation. Now let's see the application process. Here is step-by-step guide. Follow all these steps and it will help you to apply smoothly. Firstly, you need to visit the official NHR scholarship website. There you have to register with your email and create an account. After that, you need to fill your personal and academic information. Then you can upload your bachelor's and master's thesis abstracts, and you need to choose up to three research topics or NHR centers you are interested in. After that, you need to upload all the required documents that we discussed earlier, and then you can review everything and submit the online application. After that, after submitting your online application, you need to merge your document into a single PDF file. After that, you need to mail that file on this email scholarship at the rate of nhrvirin.de. So this is the email address. You need to mail all the documents. Make sure to merge all the documents into a single file. After that, mail on this email, and you need to ask your professor to email the recommendation letter separately to the same email. So these two steps are very crucial. Pay high attention to these steps. After that, you need to use the subject line application NHR graduate school in both emails. So make sure you use application subject line this NHR graduate school. By following these steps, you can successfully apply for this program. Before you apply, you need to make sure check the research areas on NHR website. Every center has its own focus. Some work on AI and machine learning, others on climate modeling, data visualization, or quantum simulations. You need to find a research group that meets your background and goals. This helps your application stand out because it shows you have done your homework. The deadline for this program is 15th September 2025, so you have got plenty of time. Prepare the documents well and then apply. Now let's see how we can fill the online application. I will show you step by step. Firstly, you can view the complete details about this program on our website, thekashmirlook.com or fullscholarship.net. Here is a link to the official web page. So let's see. Firstly, click on this link. Now here you can see NHR website online portal. This is the application page. Here, click on apply now. We have reached to NHR graduate school application form. Now here, click on register. Fill out these details like username, email address, and you need to create a password. After that, accept the privacy policy and click on register. I have already created an account, so let's see by logging in. So this is my application. Now I can edit it. Click on edit. Now, firstly, I need to fill out the personal data, which includes name, nationality, email address, and postal address. Let's fill up this section quickly and then move to the click on save and move to the next. The next section, we have details about our education. We need to provide details about our bachelor's and master's degree. Firstly, we need to select the degree title and then department and title of thesis. After that, we need to provide the main topics and thesis abstract. After that, university name and university country. Then we can move to the next section. Now we have master's degree. Similarly, we have to fill out the details about our master's degree. We need to enter degree title, department, title of thesis, and university details, and then click on next. Now, now the next section we have to select the research interest. We have three choices here. Let's see. Click on drop down arrow, and then you can select your research choice. Let me select any random one. Now the next section we have to upload documents. We need to upload our CV, and we need to upload our research statement. After that, degree certificate and academic transcripts, and we need to provide our English proficiency tests and passport. Also, the letter of recommendation in PDF format. So upload all these documents. Click on choose file and then browse your computer, and you can upload the documents. Next, we have the privacy policy. Read these details and then choose this box. After that, we have correctness of information. Now, how did you hear about NHR scholarship? You can see here. For example, and then click on next. Now we are on the page. We can, there are some details. You can go through these details and then click on send. So we have successfully sent our online application. Remember, after submitting your online application, you need to merge all your documents into a single PDF file and then mail them on this email that we discussed earlier. So this is the mail. You need to create a single PDF file of all your documents and then submit to this mail. And you need to send your letter of recommendation separately on this mail, and you need to use the subject line application NHR graduate school for both mails. So pay attention to these, and by following these steps, you can successfully apply for this program. So that's it for today's video. The NHR PhD scholarship is more than funding. It is time to join global community, do meaningful research, and launch successful academic or industry career. If you have got passion, degree, and the drive to dive into high performance computing, this is your chance. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for scholarship. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram for upcoming updates on scholarship and other educational opportunities all around the world. Thanks for watching and good luck with